Hello and welcome to a brand new episode on Tech with SG. Today we are gonna see a brand new power bank from Iball brand. So it has a capacity of 10,000 mAh and it's the model of IB-10000LP power bank. So today we are gonna unbox it and see how it performs well. So this power bank comes with a data cable, and this is the power bank, and it also includes a user manual for the guidelines on how we can use it and all those things. So keeping it aside, let us look into the power bank. So it has a matte finish on it, a rugged surface, so it doesn't go slippy. So the side of the power bank is a little glossy and yeah, it's good. So it is completely of matte finish. It has two USB ports for the output and two input ports. You can charge it by via USB Type C or the micro USB, any of your choice. So it actually has the advantage of carrying a single charger for your phone as well as the power bank. And yeah, here they have given some specifications on this. This is also BAS certified power bank made in India, and it has the output of about 2.1 ampere. There is a LED indication also included, so double tap the power button which is on the side to turn on and turn off the power bank. This power bank is made up of ABS, a special type of plastic material. And talking about its dimensions, it has got 138 mm height, 70 mm width, which is absolutely fantastic. But it has got a slightly higher thickness, which is about 16.25 mm. And this would have reduced in 1 or 2 mm, like 14 or 15 mm. That would be even more great, but it is fine. Talking about the battery inside this, it has got a massive 10,000 mAh lithium polymer battery inside this. This actually adds advantage of buying this product. Lithium polymer battery helps you to charge your mobile phone as well as the power bank more faster. As per the specification, they have given that it takes about 6 to 7 hours to charge the power bank completely. And I think that they would have used some fast charger to measure this. I also do recommend some of the fast chargers in the description. You can also check them out. Talking about the main features of this power bank, it comes with over voltage, under voltage, over current and overheat protection in the input side, and in the output side it comes with over voltage, under voltage, short circuit and over current protections. Physical temperature sensors are also added in order to prevent the operations in over temperature conditions. This ensures the battery life. This power bank operates between -10 degrees Celsius to approximately 55 degrees Celsius. Last but not least, this power bank is available in two variants, carbon fiber black and white respectively. And how about the value for money? This is absolutely a fantastic product at this price range. I have given the product link in the below description. Hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thumbs up if you like this video. Your feedbacks are most important to me. Please leave them in the comment section. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe the channel. This is Tech with SG signing off, and see you soon in the next video. Thank you.